Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Realtek high definition audio driver issues in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and then go with device manager. Tap on it and wait until a new window would appear, which is the device manager itself. Here, please expand the window so that you can see all of the options clearly and scroll down and proceed with sound, video, and game controllers. Now click this forward arrow and in this manner you would be able to see your sound adapters, which are your speaker adapters, Realtek or audio. Okay? So please select on it and the moment you have selected it, please do a right click, okay, and go with update driver. So in this window, it will ask you to choose two options, which are search automatically for drivers, and then Windows will search your computer for the best available driver and install it on your device. And the second is browse my computer for drivers, and it will locate and install a driver manually. Now proceed with the second, tap on it, and there you can see let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and this list will show you available drivers compatible with the device and all drivers in the same category as the device. Tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, you would be able to see all the compatible hardware in your Windows. Now click on Realtek Audio and go with Next and wait until it will be installed here in your Windows. Okay? And if you have another option here, which is high definition audio, okay, so just have to click on that and then click on next and wait until it will be installed here in your Windows. Once done, close this window and then restart your computer. Okay, so it is a very important to restart your computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed in this video. In order to make any changes, please restart your computer. Anyway, this is a harmless step. It will only help you to fix the problem. Okay? So click on restart and wait until your window would be restarted. And once you have relaunched the Windows again, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.